Hello everyone, welcome back again with another video. Today we are going to talk about a BitUnix platform. So basically this is a trading platform where you can simply buy and sell your crypto and you can simply trade over here. So I have provided the referral link in the description box. Please check it out. If you follow the referral link then and referral code, then you will get free reward over there. So simply don't forget to use our referral link. So BitUnix is a trading platform where you can simply buy and sell crypto, Bitcoin, different types of cryptocurrencies coin over there. So please fill the details over there like email, passport, then simply tap on sign up. So I have provided the referral link also, please see there. So after that, if you follow all these steps and if you sign up, then you will be able to see these kinds of interface over there. So please fill the form like email and password only, so you don't have to like worry about anything else. So it is a very just a simple process. So after sign up, you will be see this kinds of interface over here. So like asset overview. So here I've just 0.00 USD. So let's have a welcome bonus first of all. So exclusive mystery box benefit for newcomers. So if you follow the like a referral link and referral code, then you'll get like these kinds of things. And if I tap on open my mystery box, then I've got 3 USDT. Okay, so if you wanna just like earn some amount of money, then you can simply follow the referral link which is in the description box. So please follow that. And after that you will be see the verification. If you like verify the KYC, then you will get some rewards. So here are the basic and the advanced verification. Like for the requirement, it does have the personal information, ID and selfie. So please fill the all this detail over there. So don't share your personal detail to anybody else. So I'm not showing you because it is against the algorithm. So that's why I have just teach you. So here you can simply see, if I tap on buy crypto and if I enter the 100 USDT amount, then you can simply see. So I wanna just buy Bitcoin. So 0.0035. Okay, so this Bitcoin will I will get for $100. So here are the payment method also, like Visa, Mastercard, Apple Pay, like bank transfer. Which platform you want to, which payment method you want to choose for, simply you can go through it, so not an issue. So and after that you will be see these kinds of interface in the market platform. So here you can see the markets over there. So the rate, the last price, the 24-hour changes, each and everything you will see. If I just trade on Bitcoin, then if I just wanna buy or sell the Bitcoin, then I can simply see the details over here. So the green signal is for the buy and wait for the sell. So if I want to buy, then I can simply see the chart over there. So I will carefully study about the chart, then after I will purchase all the Bitcoin or anything else cryptocurrencies over there. So if you think that you are capable of doing like trading and if you have some amount of money, then you can simply go through it. So you can set the line over there. So if the line indicates that, so if you think that this line, if the green signal cross the line, then you can simply buy it or sell it. So it depends upon you, but you need a very good practice. So I'm just providing the information of the platform, overall platform, how you can simply do. So here are other crypto other features also, like future trading. So as I've already said, that the green signal is for the buy and red is for like sell. So simply you can see like for the future trading, you can simply see overall data over there. Then after, you can decide, either you choose like either you buy or anything else. So simply you can go as it is. So if you think that you can have a certain investment over BitUnix platform, then you can simply proceed further. So yeah, that's it. So here you can simply buy BTC or sell BTC. This is for the Bitcoin. So here are other cryptocurrencies at the left hand side. You can simply see if you which currency you wanna just do for, you can simply go through it. So if I tap on activity and reward center, simply I've got a coupon over there. So if I tap on view my coupon, then I've just got, I think, $3 that I have previously shown you at the beginning of the videos, when after I just sign up the BitUnix BitUnix. Okay, so simply if you follow the referral link, then you will get like coupon, and you can simply scratch the coupon. I've got like $3. So after that, you can simply see all the things like buying and selling the cryptocurrencies, buying the Bitcoin or the ETH, Ethereum. So whichever you want to do for, you can simply do as it is. So here are the like assets, like asset overview. Simply, I don't have the money. If you want to withdraw your money, then you can simply withdraw it. If you think that if you have some profit on your account, or if you have some amount of money on your account, simply you can withdraw it. So it's just a very simple process. Simply if you click on one button, then you can simply withdraw your amount of money. So simply, here are other features also you can simply explore over here. So like here are the order section. If you have if you play well, and if you buy or sell, then you can simply see the open orders and order history, trade history, position history. Each and every details you can check it from here. So if you wanna just see what you did in this by BitUnix platform, then you can simply see all the details over there. So I have teach you how you can sign up BitUnix, how you can buy crypto, or how you can simply trade and see the marketplace, how to verify KYC. Each and every detail I have teach you. So simply you can also see the market trends over here. So here are the market trends. See, simply you can go through it. So if you like the content, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell over there. So we'll be uploading more videos like this. So don't forget to use our referral link and referral code, which is in the description box. You'll get free rewards over there. So we'll be uploading more videos like this. Till then, bye bye and take care.